TP-Link HS200 Wi-Fi switch. This has worked very reliably. It has turned on and off on schedule about 10 times a day for 1 year now. It's without any hitches, and this is the type of thing you don't want to have hitches with unless you're an electrician or you want to pay for an electrician, and has operated my bathroom fan continuously since 1 year ago. And the software is okay. It's good, not buggy software, and it's called CASA, and here it is. You can make a schedule, or you can run it on a timer. One feature that's missing is that you can't have it turn off after a particular time has passed since it was last turned on, or vice versa. Here, I'll show you how easy it is. I can now turn on my fan from anywhere when I'm anywhere, my bathroom fan, or see if it's on or off at any time. And because my bathroom fan has a Bluetooth speakers, I can play music with it wherever I am, maybe in another room. And it's has a light. It works well. It retains the data. It's also, you can use it manually, press manually. It's my first Wi-Fi switch, and I'm very happy that I haven't had any problems with it so far. I wish I could have all my switches be Wi-Fi switches. So I highly recommend this one. It is the way of the future.